Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind scrappywife.com, and today I wanted to share with you a new to me company called Journals for Life. I actually just found them on Instagram kind of randomly and went and checked out their website and really liked some of the things that they had, so I put in my own order and I'm excited to show you what I got. So let me just pull out, these are some of the extra little tidbits I got. This is a card that previews their next collection. So they're kind of like a niche paper crafting company. They try to find those parts of paper crafting that are underrepresented, which I think is awesome. I got some really cute washi tape. Let me see if I can open it really fast. All about coffee, which is my life these days. And it was super cute. They actually had a whole coffee line, but look how adorable that washi tape is with all of the different kinds of coffee. I love it. So super excited about that to add to my collection and use probably in my morning journaling. I picked up a couple of different vinyl stickers. I loved this one. Actually, I can. And never forget how wildly capable you are. So I am loving vinyl stickers. I would love to know, where do you guys use your vinyl stickers? Are you a water bottle person? Do you put it on the front of journals? I am loving them recently. And then, so what originally caught my eye was this. This was called their Unity bundle, and it's designed, I believe, for traveler's notebooks. Let me show you. And it looks like such a beautiful set. Let me pull it out. Okay, you get a lot in one set, including stamps and stickers and washi, some extra little confetti pieces. It's just so fun. Let's start with the paper. Again, already sized for a traveler's notebook. Let me pull it out of here and look at this gorgeous artwork. I just loved it so much. It's one-sided. I loved the line art. I loved the images. I thought it was so pretty. You have this gorgeous black and white floral. Wonderful for layering. Look at that. I know it's simple and it's just so impactful. The colors are beautiful. I always love florals, of course. And just so great. If you are into traveler's notebooks, this might be a great company to check out. I am certainly going to join their mailing list and keep finding out more because I really liked the feel. And this is a pretty good paper. It's not so thick, which I actually like for traveler's notebooks because then it doesn't like overwhelm. Look at the beautiful line art. So pretty. Some art marks and some lines right there. So you get a ton of paper. That's a lot, and you get 2 of each design, which is awesome. And let's see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different designs. So 24 pieces of paper, a ton. And then along with the paper, I love, you guys know I love ephemera paper pieces and die cuts, and you get a ton. Let me just open these up. It is so many. You get a ton and they're just really well done. So here, all different sizes, some little ones, love the rainbow. That one says time to shine. Some greenery pieces, be yourself, woman power, love it. Look at the sweet little purse, the florals, love these silhouettes. Kind of looks like a ticket or a rug, more rainbows, all about the rainbows. Yes, we can. Beautiful pieces for layering right here. Prove them wrong, be you. The future is female. Love it. Make it happen. You are amazing. Just great uplifting phrases. Love it. Banners. Super idea. Future is female. Look at all of these cute pieces. Again, I think they're sized super well for Traveler's Notebook. I love the woman I've become because I fought to become her. So great. Yes, you can, or you can do it. Rainbow, more rainbows, more gorgeous silhouettes, florals. I just, look how many, I still have a huge stack in my hand. Make your own magic. Love all of these little pieces. Find your tribe and hold on to them. Never forget why you started. Love this image. Just so many, so cute. Busy, busy, busy. Aren't we all? Watch me. So great. Dream big. Love the water bottle. More little journaling layering pieces, florals. You can just see there is a lot. She believed she could, so she did. Amazing. And yet another gorgeous little rainbow. So a ton of paper pieces, and I'm super excited to use these. I kind of envision doing some traveler's notebooks with these and also using them in my morning journaling. So I'm loving all of these paper pieces. Let me move those out of the way and let's see what else we got. So there was washi that came with the kit. Let me open it real fast. All right, so here is the washi tape. You have all of the gorgeous silhouettes, and it goes a long time before it starts repeating right here. So you get a really long strip of really unique combination of the silhouettes and the beautiful florals. So that is absolutely beautiful. Love, love, love that. Then you got some more fun pieces. So this is like a 3D confetti enamel pieces. I love those little hearts. So fun. And then even more. Let me open this up. So in here you have some stickers. These are, paper stickers. Be yourself. Don't tell me to smile. There are no rules. I love the camera. Very cute. And then a stamp set. So I'm super excited about this as well because you know I love that line art. It says, make your own magic. The future is female. I love the woman I've become because I fought to become her. Powerful, be you. Love, love, love it. So that is a ton of things. It's a really reasonably priced shop. So I really urge you to check it out. I'm super excited to have found another shop. I love supporting small businesses, and this one seems like a great one to support. So I will definitely link them down below. Like I said, not affiliate links or anything. Just wanted to share a fun new company that I found that I am excited about. So I hope you guys take some time and check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.